What's up, y'all? Leela here, Technical Director for Real Girls, with a Tech Tip Tuesday for you. Friends, has this ever happened to you?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Come on, come back. What is this? Why is this happening?
What's up?
My computer just crashed right in the middle.
Okay, just relax, darling.
can't-
Breathe. Now reboot. Hey, it always works on my computer.
Well,
Let's get your manual out.
I don't have a manual. I got rid of it in a feng shui attack. Oh my god, I want to kill myself.
Yikes. Ouch. I hope that hasn't happened to you. Sadly, though, because computers are only human, it could happen to you, or me, or anyone, at any moment. Okay, I'm not trying to scare you here, but the truth is, yes, computers crash. It happens. In fact, it happened here at Real Girls just a couple weeks ago when our newest staff member, administrative manager Teresa Moser, came in to find her computer doing strange and terrible things. So after going through some basic troubleshooting steps and finding out that, in fact, I could not repair this disk and I needed to take it in to Apple, what was Teresa going to do while her computer was getting fixed or replaced? Could she continue working, and where did all those files go? Well, let's see how it turned out for Carrie Bradshaw.
When was the last time you backed up your work?
I don't do that.
You don't back up?
No. God, Miranda, I'm freaking out. What if everything I've ever written is gone?
When was the last time you backed up?
You know, no one talks about backing up. You've never used that expression with me before, ever, but apparently everybody's secretly running home at night and backing up their work.
I don't know about you guys, but I totally secretly run home every night and back up my work. Okay, I don't back up my work in secret, but I do back up my work. A fact that has saved my professional life many times over. In fact, I've helped my sister, my girlfriend, my best friend's mom, and lots of other people set up their own backup systems. So maybe at this point you're feeling a bit overwhelmed. How do I get myself a backup system? Well, there's two basic ways to go. The first option is online backup. With this, you pay an ongoing fee per month or per year to an online backup software service, and then every time you're online, the service automatically makes copies of your files, sends them to a place off-site in a big server in the sky. When the big computer crash hits, online backup users will be able to access all of their files from any web browser and use their backup service to restore those files to a new or repaired computer. 2. Physical backup. For this option, you'll need an external hard drive that is slightly bigger than the internal drive of your computer. You can keep this drive connected to your computer and use a type of software that automatically and continuously backs up your files while they are in use. Mac computers come with a program called Time Machine that does just that. Or you can connect the drive to your computer every so often and use a type of software that makes a complete system backup of your hard drive. Both of these options have their pros and cons, and I'll post a list of a few software choices for Mac and PC users in the blog post that accompanies this video. At Real Girls, we decided to go with the physical backup option for a bunch of different reasons. For one thing though, online backup systems do limit your storage space, and we do a lot of video editing. Video files can be pretty huge, so online backup wasn't really a good fit for us. Here, we use a program called SuperDuper to create a bootable clone of each of our computer's hard drives. So that means once the software has done its backup thing, not only do our files now live on an external hard drive, but we actually have an exact copy of that computer's drive, down to the desktop photo and all of the preferences we've created for every program. Not only that, but this drive is bootable, meaning you can hook up the external drive to any computer, start up that computer from the clone, and it will look just like you're using your original hard drive, which is exactly what we did with Teresa's computer when it crashed. Check it out. Okay, so first I'll take one of our other computers. This is one we use for editing in our programs. Now I attach the external hard drive that we use for backups. I'm going to start up the computer while holding down the Option key. Continue to hold it down until it starts up, and we see a list of all the drives that are attached pop up. All I have to do is choose the clone I want to boot from, and voila! So now Teresa can continue the work she was doing before her computer crashed, just as though that crash never happened. When the repaired computer comes back to us, we'll just use the backup software to copy the backup back to the hard drive. So the moral of this story, my friends, as Sex and the City so eloquently reminds us, is that computers do crash, sometimes for no reason at all. So you, my friend, have to get yourself a backup system.
please tell me why this happened in the first place?
Well, we don't know. Sometimes these things, they just crash. Now, we can replace your motherboard, but you have to get yourself a backup system. You have to get yourself a backup system. You have to get yourself a backup system. Next time you won't lose everything.
For real, girls, this is Leela. Thanks for joining me for the Tech Tip Tuesday.